Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an ignition switch. First, always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal to ensure safety. You will need a 5mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and a pick tool. Make sure you have your new ignition switch ready before you begin the process. This repair can save you hundreds of dollars compared to a shop. Next, carefully remove the upper and lower plastic covers from the steering column. These are usually held by a few 5mm screws and clips. Once the covers are off, locate the ignition switch and disconnect all electrical connectors attached to it. Then, use a flathead screwdriver or pick tool to depress the two plastic tabs, one on top and one on the bottom, that secure the switch in place. With the old switch removed, take your new ignition switch. It's often recommended to insert your key into the new switch and turn it to the accessory position to help with alignment. Carefully push the new switch into its housing until you hear it click securely into place. Reconnect all the electrical plugs you previously removed, then reattach the steering column covers, ensuring all screws are tightened. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Insert your key and test the ignition to ensure the car starts properly without any issues. Also, check that all accessories, such as the radio and interior lights, are functioning as they should. If you encounter a red padlock symbol, it might indicate a PAT system issue, which may require professional assistance. For other great deals and the Darn Tough Socks link, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.